Hi everyone, I'm Henry from the Head This Way, and today I'll be showing you my very simple skincare night routine. Before going to the video, can we just appreciate for 1 second this head wrap? I mean, it's from actually from Embrace Crowns. I mean, you should go and follow her on Instagram, and I'm just like so excited, and I promise I'm going to do a tutorial about how to do head wraps, but I just got it and I just know how to do this one. So I want to learn a little bit more, but I'm just like obsessed with it. It's just like, it looks so cute. I thought it was gonna give me a headache. It doesn't. Like, I just really love it. So if you want to see more, just go to Embrace Crowns, not sponsored by the way. Now let's start this video. So as someone that got into makeup fairly recent, like about 3 years ago, I've been just discovering this amazing world of makeup. I've witnessed how my face has changed. More specifically because I've been wearing makeup, you know, when I go to work or like for events and stuff like that. And you know, I just want to take it more seriously, especially because I do want to keep makeup and like getting better at it and like doing more cool stuff. So I have to take care of the canvas. Therefore, I have lately been testing a lot of products, and I'm still testing some of them, but I want to show you guys my very simple skincare routine with like the stuff that I have at this time. I have my face is pretty dry. It's also very sensitive. For the dryness, I usually just have like spots like this, and around this area they get very dry. Around my cheeks and here are red, like very red. I have huge pores in here, and usually my face just doesn't get oily, like it just doesn't. So I have determined that it's dry. It might be a combination, but honestly I do not know much about it. And it's also very sensitive. And when I say sensitive, I mean like I've tried, there has been products that I put in my face just like a little bit, and I start getting irritation. Yeah, that's how sensitive it is. So it has taken me a long time to find products that are going to be sensitive and moisturizing for my skin. Now, I will be showing and talking about these products and showing you how I use them in my routine, and basically just show you a final result of our before and after. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. So first up, I use the BIODERMA Sensibio Micellar Solution that I use with the e.l.f. makeup removers. I just find that that's a better combination for me. And basically what I do is that I take just like a bit of the BIODERMA on my hand, and I kind of like just squirt as much as I think is going to be right for my face, and I basically just rub it around my face so I can cover everything where I have makeup on. Once that's done, I move to the e.l.f. makeup remover cleansing cloths, and basically what I do with this is that I take one of them and use it all over my face to remove all of the makeup. On a normal day that I don't use that much makeup, I only use one wipe, and other days I use 2 wipes to kind of just get really into it, especially in the eye area, because if I use eyeliner, it takes me a long time because my eyeliner just like doesn't want to get off. I use these two together because I just find that it's great for sensitive skin. I've used them separate and they don't work the same, and also because I've used other products like makeup removers that are just not good for my skin. After I'm done with taking all of my makeup off, I splash some water on my face to prepare for the cleanser. So I use the Cetaphil, I think I'm pronouncing that right, daily facial cleanser. It says that it's for normal to oily skin. I basically take 1 or 2 pumps on my hand, I rub it in and basically just start massaging it into my face. I focus mostly on my nose area because I want that to kind of like declog my pores, and I just kind of like just go all the way to my neck because I put makeup on my neck as as well, and all over my face. And after that, I just rinse it out with water and pat dry it with just a small towel, just like this, to kind of just get it out, and also make sure that I took out all of my makeup. So after the cleanser, I use this DMAE Premium DMAE toner. It contains some things that I cannot say, so I'm just gonna put it in the description box. And basically, this is one of the things that I recently added to my skincare routine. And if you guys don't know, a face toner helps remove excess dirt, traces of oil, and also correct and balance the pH of your skin, and helps control acne, which is the reason why I started adding it, because I wanted to kind of correct and balance the skin tone in my face. So basically, I just put some of this on I turn around, I just drop like 3 times maybe, and I just kind of like massage it around my face. Now, make sure that you take everything and then your face is very clean, because if not, this thing is gonna sting your face. With that being said, it is very gentle to my face. It stings a little bit, but not that much that I'm worried about it. Again, I do this all down to my neck to kind of like even it out. After the toner, I just let it kind of sit there and kind of like dry it up a little bit. And then after that, I use the Seaweed Bath & Company Restoring Marine Serum. Now, this is one of the things I got actually in my spirit box and has changed my life. Serums do a lot of things. They can do a lot of things, but the main thing what I use it for is to calm my redness. So my face is always gonna get red. That's just gonna happen all the time. But this thing, oh my gosh, like when I wake up in the morning, like I don't have any redness in my face, especially in these areas. You'll see in the video. So basically, I take 2 pumps of this, rub it, and then again, I just put it all over my face, my neck, and everything. And I wait until it dries. You're gonna feel like a little tightness on your face, but that's fine because it's working. It's really working. And then at the end, after all of this, I use the DMAE collab with SunKissAlba, which is the Radiant Glow Face Oil. This contains jojoba, argan, and sea buckthorn oils, and honestly, I love this thing. This gives a nice glow to my face and also moisturizes my face. I don't usually use moisturizers because I haven't found one that works on me because of my skin. So it smells amazing, and it also can be used for your hair and for your body, really. For the Radiant Glow Face Oil, basically you just you have to shake it very well, and you're going to see that when you shake it, it's going to show like the glow in it. So that's when you know that it's actually good to go and to use. So I use 3 drops of this oil, 1 on my forehead, 1 on my right cheek, and 1 on my left cheek. After that, I just I rub it in, and all of this. It creates glow. It gives you it has minerals, and it gives you moisturizing. It just smells so great. That's honestly the best thing of this oil. And then it can be used for your hair too, which I do, and I'll make a tutorial about it. So I know this might seem like it's a lot of products, and believe me, a lot of these products have been brought to me by accident. Like the cleanser, that's something that I bought the travel size first because I wanted to try it out and see how it was. Then the serum just came in my first Espiritu box. The link down below. The face oil actually was given to me by one of my best friends for my birthday, and that's when I tried it. The BIODERMA was given to me when I used to work at an agency, and they gave this to every agency. And the DMAE is something that I just took a chance on. So I've been adding each of these things depending on how I see my face react. I wasn't used to use toners, but now I do, because I see how my face reacts different when I use toner before my makeup and after my makeup and everything. And I see that it's a good thing. And the reason why I say that is because you don't necessarily have to do all these things. We all have different skin types, and also we all have different, just like even makeup routines. So if you're someone that doesn't use a lot of makeup, you do have to still, clean your face and do all these things, but you might not have to do everything that I do, like, you know, maybe you don't have to do a toner, stuff like that. So honestly, take care of your face because it's a canvas for your beautiful, amazing makeup. And I also have like a more in-depth routine. Usually I do it on Sundays, so like at any time of the week that I need like a break, and I do a sheet mask, and I do eye mask and scrubs and stuff like that. I'm also trying out a new moisturizer and everything. So these are like my favorite products right now, but you know, eventually I'll come back to you with a new favorite of skincare products. So now I'm just gonna go ahead, take all this beautiful, I'm very proud of this actually, take all of this off and show you the results. Here is the after result of my skincare night routine. As you can see, you know, it's bare face. I do, as you can see right here, I have redness around here and here and here, but this in the morning, gone. It will disappear. Okay, so I'm just very happy with this. I feel so moisturized. It smells amazing, and no more dryness for this face right here. So let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite skincare product, and if there's one that you think might work for one. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. The links are down below. This has been the Hennessy's Way. See you in the next one. Bye.